Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share how you can promote Clickbank products without a website with free traffic. This video contains two best ways on how to promote Clickbank products without a website with free traffic, and with the methods discussed in this video, you simply don't need a website of your own or to start a blog. What you will simply be doing is to leverage the authority of already established online properties to promote any Clickbank products of your choice. Since going through this route involves the use of free traffic, you must be ready and willing to put in the required effort that is required to make this work. To add to that, patience is also required because with free traffic it takes time to convert, unlike paid traffic that is fast and has quicker conversion. Without much ado, let's get started. Number one is posting reviews on Medium. This method is termed leveraging authority. What you are simply doing by posting content on Medium is to leverage the high domain and page authority of Medium website to drive quality traffic to your affiliate link. The major advantage of using Medium aside its high domain and page authority is the fact that affiliate links are allowed on Medium. So you will not be bothered about getting your post deleted or your link removed for any policy violation. Now, how you can write affiliate product reviews on Medium. The three major ways of coming up with an affiliate product reviews are writing it yourself after using the product, rewriting other people's reviews in your own words, and number three is outsourcing it to content writers. Whichever route you choose to take, the most important thing is to be able to write a review on the particular product you want to drive sales to on Clickbank. But the best way to go about this is to buy the product first, go over it, and then write an honest review about the product based on your experience about the product. But if you don't have the money to spend, what you can do is to search on Google and YouTube for a review about the product and simply rewrite the reviews you have found in your own words. Let's say you choose to promote a product, Red Tea Detox. What you simply do if you don't want to buy the product is to search for it on Google and YouTube. Open up some of the reviews you have found and a few of the videos and simply go over them to have an understanding of what the product is all about. Then rewrite the reviews you have read and watched about in your own words. With that, you just have for yourself a good reviews about the product that you can now post on Medium. As a rule, never you blindly copy someone else's review. Try as much as possible to write the reviews you have found in your own words. This is very important. And when you are done with the review, head over to Medium and sign up for a free account. Once inside your account, click on your username and select post a story. You should then open up the section where you can then post your reply. Don't forget to link from your review through your affiliate link to the product you are promoting. Try as much as possible to ensure that your review is as detailed as possible, because your review on Medium is what you will be linking to in subsequent methods in this post. Once your review is posted on Medium, grab the URL of the post and save it, because your post on Medium will now act like a bridge page to the main product. Number two is blog commenting. I do know that you probably saw this coming, but the blog commenting approach in this video is unlike what you may have come across on other blogs, forums and communities online. What is normally common on other blogs online, or what you may have come across on other places online when it comes to blog commenting, is for you to do a search for blogs in your niche or a specific keywords and start commenting on those blogs. An example of what other online self-acclaimed gurus will tell to do as far as blog commenting is concerned is this. Let's say you are in the fitness niche. You then do a search for top fitness blogs. What you then do is to open up the blogs that shows up in the search result and start placing your comment on them. But the best way to do blog commenting is not to go after blogs in the niche of the product you want to promote, but to go after keywords that are bringing lots of traffic around that product. Let's take John Crestani product, the super affiliate system, as an example. This is a product in the make money online niche. This product talks about how to make money online as a beginner or as an experienced marketer. Some of the keywords that can be used to promote this product are: how to start affiliate marketing, make money online on Clickbank, make money online with free traffic, how to start an online business, make money from home as a mom, how to promote Clickbank products without a website, etc. Now what you will then do is to head over to Google Keyword Planner and do a search for any of the keyword in order to get more keyword ideas. As you can see, Google Keyword Planner will then show you certain details about that keyword, such as other related keywords, monthly search volume, level of competition, and cost per click. Your attention should be on the monthly search volume and related keywords. As a rule of thumb, always go for keywords with high monthly search volume. From the keywords that shows up in Google Keyword Planner above, let's go for the keyword make money online with Clickbank and do a normal Google search for it. This keyword has a monthly search volume of at least 10,000. The results on the first page of Google simply shows you the blog posts that are ranking for that particular keyword, which has got at least 10,000 searches per month according to Google Keyword Planner. Did you know that the first 6 blogs on Google will account for 75% of the search volume? That means that the first 6 blogs will be receiving an average of 7,500 visitors from people searching for the keyword make money online with Clickbank. Since the first 6 blog posts are getting most of the traffic, it does mean that if you leave a comment on those blog posts, your post will be seen by lots of people, and that opens up an opportunity for your link in the comment to be clicked. Having gotten to this point, the next thing to do is to open up those blog posts that appears on the first result page of Google and see if they allow comments. If they do, simply leave a comment with a link back to the Medium article you have already. If you leave a comment on a blog post with more than 20 comments already, there is a huge likelihood that it will not appear on the first comment page but will be nested together as comment pages, thereby defeating the purpose for leaving the comment, because you actually want people to see your comment and possibly click on your link. What do you do if a post already has more than enough comments? Simple, just reply the very first comment on that post. That's it. This will show your comment at the very top of all the other comments on that page, and also ensures that as visitors from Google lands on that post to read your comment if they're for them to see after reading the post. The best way to write blog comments if you want to promote Clickbank products without a website with free traffic is not to leave short comments like amazing post, good write-up, and very informative article, nice post, etc. Instead, you should do is to read through the post and be prepared to leave 150 word of content as your comment. Secondly, when leaving a comment on any post online, try as much as possible to talk about areas that the post didn't cover. Another hack you can use is to be at variance with the post. With this hack, all you need to do is to disagree with the post and present your own view about the topic of the post. One final way you can best leave a blog comment is to use the question based approach. In your comment, you simply ask a question pretending as though you are seeking for recommendation on that product that you are promoting, and simply leave a link back to your Medium article for others to check out and give you their advice. As people click through to check your Medium article before coming back to give their advice, some may eventually be interested in the product and purchase through your affiliate link contained in the article.